All right, so you may have heard I'm engaged, getting married in July. Very impressed with the cleaning of my fiance, what she does with her condo. It's unbelievable. It's a daily and weekly routine. So here's some of the things you want to do about getting your home clean. These I take some from LaDonna, but also from some reports that I've been reading. Disinfect your sink. The sink is a breeding ground for bacteria, and the second dirtiest thing in your home after kitchen sponges and rags. So wipe your sink down daily. Yeah, it's true. And once a week, if you needed more thorough cleaning, clean your microwave. While you'll probably wipe down most visible surfaces in your kitchen regularly, you may be neglecting the inside of the microwave. One trick, easily removing stains and grime, is to put a half cup of water and a half cup of white vinegar in a microwave safe bowl. Heat it up on high until the mixture boils. The steam will loosen any food particles caked onto the interior of the microwave and let you quickly wipe away the residue with a sponge or microfiber cloth. Also, clean out your fridge. I'm in the process of doing that as I'm getting ready to move. Sweep your floors on a regular basis. I know LaDonda does this almost daily at her condo and keeps them swept or vacuumed. I've got those robot vacuums that are doing it. Launder your towels. This one was a big one for me. Bath towels should be washed after approximately 3 uses. Did anybody know that? 3 uses and wash the bath towels. Also, clean your toilet. That is pretty obvious. Vital cleaning, eliminating potential dangerous microorganisms like E. coli. Wash your toothbrush holder, not just the toothbrush, but the holder. There's a lot of bacteria that's forming around that, so do that. Wash your sheets. How often should you wash it? Consider we spend a third of our lives in bed. It's important to launder the sheets often, eliminate the skin cells, body oils, all that stuff while doing it. Recommended by experts. They say washing your sheets once a week or one every 2 weeks for those who have allergies. Vacuum your rugs and carpet, and whether they're wall to wall or just area rugs, you want to do that on a weekly basis. And then dust the furniture. I would dust first before you vacuum, right? That's the right order. Dust is made up of hair, dead skin cells, and pollen, and dirt, and particles, and dust mites, and all that stuff. So you want to do that on a regular basis, on maybe at least a week, which I've watched and seen and have helped LaDonna do hers. So some of the things of how to revolutionize 10 must-do things to do.